English reading practice with Ramayana information. 1. Birth of Rama. The Ramayana begins in the kingdom of Ayodhya, where King Dasharatha had 3 wives but no children. After performing a holy ritual, his wives gave birth to 4 sons. Rama, eldest, born to Queen Kausalya. Bharat, born to Queen Kaikeyi. Lakshmana and Shatrughna, born to Queen Sumitra. Rama was known for his kindness, strength, and obedience. Everyone loved him. 2. Rama marries Sita. When Rama grew up, the king of Mithila, King Janaka, held a Swayamvar, a ceremony to choose a husband for his daughter, Sita. He had a powerful bow, and the condition was that whoever could lift and string it would marry Sita. Many princes failed, but Rama lifted the bow with ease and broke it. Rama and Sita were married, and there was great joy in Ayodhya. 3. Rama's exile. Dasharatha decided to make Rama the king. But Queen Kaikeyi, under the influence of her maid Manthara, demanded that her son Bharat should be king and Rama should go into exile for 14 years. Dasharatha was heartbroken but had to agree because of an old promise. Rama accepted the exile calmly. Sita and Lakshmana insisted on going with him. They went to live in the forests. 4. The golden deer and Sita's abduction. In the forest, a demon named Maricha took the form of a golden deer. Sita wanted the deer, so Rama went to catch it. When Rama killed the deer, Maricha shouted in Rama's voice. Sita thought Rama was in trouble and asked Lakshmana to help him. Lakshmana drew a Lakshman Rekha and told her not to cross it. As soon as he left, Ravana, the demon king of Lanka, came in the disguise of a sage. Sita crossed the line to give him food, and he kidnapped her. 5. Rama meets Hanuman. Rama and Lakshmana searched for Sita. They met Hanuman, the monkey warrior, and Sugriva, the monkey king. Rama helped Sugriva win his kingdom back. In return, Sugriva promised to help find Sita. Hanuman leaped across the ocean to Lanka, found Sita in Ashok Vatika, and gave her Rama's ring to give her hope. 6. The war with Ravana. Rama built a bridge across the ocean with the help of the monkey army. They reached Lanka and fought a great war. Lakshmana was seriously wounded, and Hanuman brought the Sanjeevani herb to save him. Finally, Rama killed Ravana and rescued Sita. 7. Sita's trial. People started doubting Sita's purity since she had lived in Ravana's palace. To prove her honesty, Sita went through a trial by fire, Agni Pariksha. She came out unharmed, proving she was. 8. Rama becomes king. Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana returned to Ayodhya. The 14 years were over. The people welcomed them with joy, and Rama became the king. His rule was known as Rama Rajya, a time of peace, justice, and happiness. 9. End of the story. Later, due to public gossip, Rama sent Sita to live in the forest even though she was innocent. There, she gave birth to twin sons, Lava and Kusha. They grew up strong and wise. Finally, Sita returned to Mother Earth, and Rama returned to his heavenly form, completing his purpose on earth. The Ramayana teaches us about truth, duty, love, loyalty, and the victory of good over evil. To learn English, subscribe, follow, share, like.